This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Snout gems, which are called coins in Pikmin Bloom. These coins are a super valuable in-game currency that you'll want to collect consistently. They are absolutely essential for purchasing helpful items and expanding your storage capacity, making your Pikmin adventures much smoother. You can use these precious coins to buy things like nectar, special items from the shop, or even additional seedling slots to grow more Pikmin. Strategic use of coins enhances your gameplay experience significantly. The most consistent way to earn coins is by actively playing the game. You earn 1 coin for every 250 flowers you plant, so keep those Pikmin busy. Participating in weekly challenges is also crucial, as these often provide various rewards, sometimes including coins, upon completion. Walking consistently contributes to both flower planting and challenge progress, which are key to your coin income. Also, engage with daily tasks, as they might offer small coin bonuses. Beyond your regular activities, there are several bonus opportunities to snag more coins. Leveling up your player account is a fantastic way to earn rewards, and sometimes these include a generous amount of coins. Keep an eye out for special in-game events. These often introduce unique challenges that can provide significant coin bonuses. Sometimes, the in-game shop might even feature occasional free coin offers or special bundles, so it's always worth checking. Event passes, which you can buy with coins, can also boost your rewards. To truly maximize your coin collection, focus on smart management. Always prioritize activities that offer the highest coin rewards, ensuring the most efficient use of your time and effort. Consistent engagement with both daily and weekly challenges is absolutely key for a steady income. It's wise to save your hard-earned coins for essential upgrades, such as expanding your Pikmin or seedling storage, which provide long-term benefits. Try to avoid spending coins on items you can easily obtain through regular gameplay, like basic nectar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.